Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the Fosiya LED Arcade Joystick Buttons Kit, a fantastic option for anyone looking to build or upgrade their two-player arcade setup. This kit is specifically designed for DIY enthusiasts working on MAME, JAMA, or other fighting game projects, offering a comprehensive package to get those retro gaming dreams off the ground. Right out of the box, one immediately notices the quality. The kit includes two high-quality, ellipse oval-style 8-way joysticks. These aren't just standard sticks. Their design ensures precise control, which is absolutely crucial for competitive fighting games or navigating classic arcade titles. The responsiveness of these joysticks, paired with the excellent control offered by the included USB encoders, means players can expect a smooth and accurate gaming experience across all Windows PCs, MAME setups, and Raspberry Pi devices. The USB encoders themselves are a highlight, providing reliable and easy connectivity. Moving on to the buttons, the Fosiya kit provides 20 larger LED push buttons, thoughtfully laid out for a two-player setup, including dedicated one-player, two-player, and two-coin buttons. The LED illumination is a standout feature, providing good lighting effects that truly bring the arcade aesthetic to life. These aren't just pretty lights. Each button boasts a built-in blue switch, ensuring excellent electronic performance and a long life. The reliability has been tested to an impressive 3 million cycles, which speaks volumes about their durability. Furthermore, the buttons are crafted from heat-resistant plastic, and the overall kit utilizes environmentally friendly metal, highlighting a commitment to quality materials that will withstand countless hours of intense gameplay. The connectivity is straightforward, utilizing USB technology, making it incredibly easy to integrate into various systems. Whether someone is building a full-sized arcade cabinet or a compact desktop controller, the plug-and-play nature of these components simplifies the entire process. The mix of colors in the kit adds a vibrant touch, allowing for a visually appealing custom build without needing to source individual colored buttons. This attention to detail makes the Fosiya kit a truly comprehensive solution for any arcade builder. In essence, for anyone embarking on a DIY arcade project, the Fosiya LED Arcade Joystick Buttons Kit presents itself as an exceptional choice. Its combination of high-quality, durable components, precise control, and vibrant LED illumination makes it a top-tier solution for creating an authentic and enjoyable two-player arcade experience. It truly elevates the home arcade setup, delivering that classic feel with modern reliability and ease of use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.